Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for supporting my channel. I hope that you're all staying healthy and safe. In this video, I will be showing how to transpose data using paste special and then transpose function. So in order to transpose data, what I'll do is I'll select the data and then copy it, click on a new cell, right click and click on paste special. You'll see that there's a transpose option here, and what I'll do is I'll click on transpose and then click on OK. This will transpose my data. However, the transpose data is not dynamic um, because in cell 3 we have data 800,000, and in cell 2 the transpose data is 800,000 as well. So for example, if you change this to 300,000, the transpose data remains the same. I'll undo this. Uh, in order to make this transpose data dynamic, what we can do is we can use the transpose function. Uh, in order to use transpose function, what we'll need to do is type in equals transpose and select data. First, I will show you um, the process where we'll get the error because when you use this transpose function and select this and hit enter, you'll get an error. In order to correct this, what we'll need to do is type in equals, or no, first we'll have to select the number of cells that we'll be transposing this table into. We have total of 22 cells, 2 columns and 11 rows. So now we'll have to transpose this data to 2 rows and 11 columns. So now what I'll do is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows, or 2 rows and 11 columns. Now I will type in the formula equals transpose and then select the array. If you type in enter here, you'll get an error. Like if you hit just return, you'll get an error. So what we'll need to do is, instead of just hitting enter, we'll need to uh, hit command shift and enter. So now you'll see that our data has been transposed. Now if you change cell A3 to 300,000, you'll see the cell E2, the transpose data, is also changed. So this is our dynamic process. It is also important that you have to select equal number of transposed cells. For example, we had 2 rows and 11 columns, hence I selected 2 rows, or we had 2 columns and 11 rows. I selected 2 rows and 11 columns. So for example, if I just selected 2 rows and 10 columns, what will happen is our data will be truncated. For example, if I select all my data here and then hit Command Shift and return, the last value from cell A12 and B12 is truncated over here. Also, if I select more than required cells, what happens is we'll get NA on the extra cells here. Since I selected 2 extra cells, after I type in Command Shift and return, the last 2 cells are NA. So we'll need to make sure that we are not selecting less or more cells. So this is how you transpose data in both static and dynamic ways. Hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.